and today I am back with another look, and it is just a random look I might wear to school or something. So yeah, and I already started with my eyebrows because they take forever to do. But yeah, here they are. I really like them. I know I need to wax my eyebrows, but that will be happening soon. So probably today. But yeah, and if you see me looking there to here, it's because my monitor is right there, and I'm trying to learn to look over here instead of there. But it's kind of hard because I want to see my beautiful self. But like, anyways, let's get started with this. So now I'm gonna start off with my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 primer and setting spray. Okay, after that, I'm going to be trying out a new foundation in NYX Total Control. I got this in TCDF07, and it's a dropper. It's very liquidy. So I got my Flower Beauty sponge. This is a light coverage foundation. Color match is pretty good. So I don't have to go to school today. It's Labor Day. Wait, it's Martin Luther King Day. And yeah, I got school off, and then right after that I'm gonna be studying for my semester finals things. So yeah. So there's my face. Next, I'm gonna go into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is my fave. Have any of you guys gotten the flu or gotten sick? Because it's that time of the year, and it's really bad in Texas right now. And I got strep. My mom had like just a regular cold, sinus and everything, so she's not gonna go to the doctor for that, but I had to go because I had strep. And yeah, so I'm gonna blend that. And then my dad had it first, so I think it's his fault that we all got sick. Next, I'm going to do my eyeshadow base. I'm using the NYX. This acts as almost like a concealer too on your eyeshadow, like your eyelids. So now I'm going to bake. I'm using the Laura Mercier powder. So now I'm going to get my powder. So now let's move on to the eyes when that's baking. I'm just going to use one palette, and I'm going to go with the Jaclyn Hill palette. So here's the colors that I have to choose from. So first I'm going to start with the blending color. So I'm going to use this one right here. And this has to be natural because I'm trying to go for something like I would wear at school. So there's the base. Then you can get this brush right here. I feel like burgundy is a little bit too much for like school. I'm gonna get that burgundy color, and it's the matte one, and I'm just gonna blend it blend it this way. Like that. I'm doing it very light-handed. Good. These colors are very pigmented because I'm just like barely dipping my brush in. Okay, then I'm gonna get like a shimmery color and I'm gonna put that like in the middle. So I could do a lighter color or like the same color. This is the color I use for the burgundy, and then this is the color I'm gonna use for the middle. If you need to go back and blend or put more color, go ahead. So that's the look. Now I'm gonna get my poofy brush and blend all my baking stuff. Like I said, it's natural and nothing too heavy for school. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Becca highlighting palette. I love this palette. And I can get my blush out of here too. So I'm gonna go in with, which one is she name, Bob? And this one. So there's the highlight. Champagne Pop is a very pigmented highlighter. And if you don't have it, you should go get it. I think it's better than the Anastasia one that I have. So next. So now I'm gonna get the Champagne Pop with this, and I'm gonna do my nose. My nose highlight. And then my lip highlight. So I'm gonna do the inner corners. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so there's the look. So now I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm gonna do this one right here. And give like a dusty pink. Okay. Okay, next, lips. I'm gonna use the Revlon Tinted Lip Balm. It feels good and it smells like cherries, and I think it looks okay with the look. I would either wear this or just a clear, like this Milani one. So yeah. So I'm not going to wear eyelashes to school, so I'm going to try a new mascara. I'm going to try the Almay One Coat Mega Volume. This is what the lawn looks like. Whoa! So that mascara worked really good. really like it. So yeah. So here is the completed look. It's like a natural makeup look for school. I really like how my brows turned out and the whole look actually. And it's like a random look. So yeah, I would wear this to school. My mom would let me wear this to school because it's so natural. So yeah. So if you like these videos of me just coming on here doing like playing and like experimenting with makeup, and then leave a comment down below and I'll totally do more, and comment down if I should do like a glam party look, or like just comment down below what kind of random look should I do. And yeah, I should do a random Valentine's Day look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Clipper 12. Bye!